Welcome to Conquering the World One City at a Time. Today we're going to be looking at the CN Tower. I visited there this summer. It has a total height of 1,815 feet. It was one of the tallest structures in the world for a bit. I believe in 2007 is when the Burj Khalifa was complete, and the Burj Khalifa is now the tallest building structure in the world right now. But it did hold the title for a little bit. On this floor here is it's 11,022 feet is the height of this floor right here. I will post a video of the Sky Pod, which is 1,465 feet, which will probably be in a later video, which is a little bit higher up. This is not my first time coming to this tower, but it's nice coming back because the first time it was a bit of a cloudy day, so I didn't get the view that I got today. So I do hope you enjoy. Feel free to leave comments, questions, or anything else you'd like to see on this page. Thanks.